שלום שלום. שלום לכולם, אני רוברט מפולין, Hebrew. I've been trying to learn this language all my life, to be honest with you, and it's not easy.
סליחה, את מדברת עברית?
פעם אחת, בתל אביב, while having a drink with my friend, he recommended me Beelango. With Beelango, you learn not only the language, but you're getting a lot of practical information about life in Israel. Watching cartoons, comics, listening Israeli songs. It throws you into daily life situations. It's a lot of kef. Beelango, it's the only online app course that teaches you handwriting. I wouldn't be able to write until today. It's fun, full of surprises. בהצלחה.